Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word lunar in depth. First, the definition. Lunar means relating to the moon or its movements. Think of it simply as anything connected to our moon. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Lunar traces back to the Latin word lunaris, meaning of the moon. Over time, it's been used by ancient Romans and others to describe moon-related phenomena. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use lunar in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The lunar eclipse was visible from many parts of the world last night. Correct example 2. Scientists study lunar phases to understand tidal patterns better. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to lunar my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using lunar correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Lunar means relating to the moon or its movements. It comes from the Latin word lunaris, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with lunar down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.